Billy Mays here with another 1999 tutorial for you. Okay, we're going to show you how we make a sound in Serum that is used in a lot of our songs. So what you want to do is just initialize Serum, make sure it looks just like this. Nothing is fucking going on here, right? We will be using something here that I will just upload from some of my fucking sequences. Anyways, let's get back to it. Okay, so you see this? This is just your typical saw wave. Take the fucking unison, bump that fucking bitch up. You'll see what I'm talking about? 7 voices. You can go to 16, but I don't fucking recommend it because you're fucking crazy. Okay, put the fucking D-tune down about 3 or 4. I would say 4. Play it fucking safe. Put the bend up a little bit. Alright, then we're gonna go in this thing. FM from B. Everyone knows about FM from B. Whoa, you didn't do oscillator B yet. Whoa, wait a second. We will do oscillator B. Click that motherfucker on. Put the unison all the way up to 7. Bring it an octave fucking up. Bring that D-tune the fuck down. Did I say this was only 1999? I swear to God I said it was 1999. Okay, we put the bend right there. Cool. You just have 2 typical saw waves, right? 2 typical fucking saw waves. Oh my god, what's it supposed to fucking sound like? Okay, you see this section right here? This is kind of fucking important. It depends on what you want the sound to sound like. This is how I want my sound to sound. I'm gonna make the attack go like this because I want it to swell up. Because if it doesn't swell up, then I'm not swelling up. I'm not swelling at all. Okay, put the hold out just a little bit. You kind of want the sound to fucking swell and hold across the board. Okay, now for this part, I can fucking sit here and draw some shit, right? It's gonna take me a couple of seconds, but we'll just fucking get you some generic ass fucking whoopsie sounds, okay? Bring these a little bit like this, like this, like this. Okay, put that shit on fucking trigger, grab a fucking filter, put it on normal, low 24. Did I mention this is 1999? You can buy the full tutorial for 1990 fucking 9. Grab that LFO, pop that bitch over there. Okay, hold on. Fuck, I gotta set my fucking shit down. Can we do this with one hand? Probably not. Okay, we have done it. Put the cutoff down. It doesn't fucking matter. You can see it, right? Put the fucking cutoff down. Jesus fucking Christ, okay? You put your level on that, right? Then grab that level. Pop that bitch on FM from B. Okay? Drop it down just a little bit. You kind of just want it to build. Alright, ready? You guys fucking ready for the big reveal? Holy fucking shit, we've done it again. Billy Mays signing off. Goodbye, you beautiful bitches.